Find f negative 1 of x for f of x equals 5 over x minus 3 plus 2. Remember, f negative 1 of x means inverse of a function. To find the inverse, we will first rewrite the given function, where in place of f of x, you have a y, right here. Y equals 5 over x minus 3 plus 2. Now we will write x where we see y and y everywhere we see x. So instead of y equals, I will write x equals 5 over, instead of x minus 3, it will be y minus 3 and then plus 2. Now I will need to get the y by itself. The first step in getting the y by itself is removing the plus 2 by subtracting it from both sides of the equation. Minus 2 on the left side and minus 2 on the right side. When you minus the 2 on the right side, the 2's will cancel each other out. On the left, you have x minus 2, then equals 5 over y minus 3. Now remember, the ultimate goal is to get this y by itself. As of right now, the y is at the bottom of the fraction. So the next thing to do would be getting whatever is at the bottom of the fraction, the y minus 3, and bringing it to the top of the fraction. I will do that by multiplying both sides of the equation by y minus 3. So I'll multiply by y minus 3 on the left and by y minus 3 on the right. X minus 2, that was already on the left side, and now it also has y minus 3 that I brought there. Then my equal sign. On the right side of the equation, the y minus 3 that was in the denominator and y minus 3 that I added there cancel each other out, leaving you with just a 5. Now I will get rid of the parentheses on the left side, and that means FOIL or distribute twice. So we take the x and multiply it by y, which gives us xy. Go back to x, multiply by negative 3, that is negative 3x. Now repeat all of that with this negative 2 times y, which gives me negative 2y. Go back to negative 2, multiply by negative 3, which gives me positive 6, and still equal to 5. Now everything that has a y will stay on the same side of the equal sign. So that means the xy will stay and the negative 2y will stay. But this negative 3x and the positive 6 need to go to the side of the equal sign where my 5 is. So to move the negative 3x, I will add it because I currently see subtraction. So plus 3x on the left and plus 3x on the right. And to get rid of the plus 6, I will do the subtraction because I currently see addition. So minus 6, minus 6. xy and minus 2y, these two things are still on the left side. On the right side, I have a 3x, and I also have the 5 minus 6, which will make me a negative 1. We're almost done. I'm going to continue writing here. So on the left side, where I have xy minus 2y, what I will do is I will pull the y from each of these terms to the outside of my parentheses. So y will now be in the front, leaving me with x minus 2 on the inside. And on the other side, I have 3x minus 1 still. Final step, to get this y by itself, I will need to get rid of the x minus 2. Since y is multiplying the x minus 2, I will divide both sides by x minus 2. And now we are done, because our y is by itself. So you have 3x minus 1 over x minus 2, and this is your f negative 1 of x, or the inverse of our function.